Guys, it's currently 8:30 in the morning. We are on the way to Art of Attack and RSfuture open house. I'm gonna take the race car for its longest drive since I got it back.
Underneath the seat.
So Matt just pulled up. Oh, it's fresh kicks. I want to see this red GT4 RS. Damn. This is it right here. Like, who cares about the McLaren? Like, who has this thing, bro?
You're already lighter.
Oh, hello, Nancy. Oh, you're so thick. Wow. It ain't Fresh Kicks himself. What's up, dude? Cecil, track guy. E85, 380Z. Oh, you bored it out?
The last one was.
So it's a 3.8 now? What do you? It was 3.8. What is it now?
3.5.
Ooh, VIP treatment. We gotta see what's under the hood.
Can't even tell.
Yeah, where the fuck are the turbos, bro?
Yeah.
How's the 800 horsepower? It's like somewhere in there. See the yolk in there? I'm gonna pop it and then eat it. Yeah. I'll pop it. Never mind, it didn't pop.
Think that.